if you were worried about paying things before, then honestly, this video is not going to make you happy because gas prices are going back up. We are going to see higher gas prices very soon. And well, honestly, they're already happening. Let me show you this. Just look at this right here. This right here, it says gas prices could reach $4 by April. But let me show you this, okay? It says right here, it's a question of when, not if. It's a question of when gas prices are going to hit $4. Not if, when. And then this person goes on to say, we have a pretty heavy amount of refinery turnarounds that is going to start here in the next couple of weeks. This report right here, look at this. It's from today, January 25th. So the prices that we're seeing at the pumps today, guess what? They're going higher. They're going to be more expensive. It says this is going to lead to a diminished amount of gasoline supply. And that's true. And I've been warning people on this for the past few weeks. But just keep in mind, and again, I've talked about this before, it's actually pretty simple. What's happening is right now we are expected to see 1.5 million barrels of gasoline less, okay, per day. Less. That is crazy. And I say this is crazy because as we see less supply, this means that demand is going to stay the same and it's actually starting to tick up, which means prices are going to rise as well. Now, here's what's happening. As the supply starts to drop, we're going to see oil prices obviously are going to go up. We're going to see gasoline shoot through the roof. Natural gas becomes more expensive. Diesel, again, more expensive. Heating your home is going to see an increase. Food costs are going to go up. And all essentials for us to live on a day-to-day basis are going to go up. This is a problem. Now, this is a very big problem for lower income earners that are still feeling the impacts of an economic downturn. Because we are currently seeing lower income earners are getting laid off. But you know what's more troubling than lower income earners getting laid off? Is that the mainstream media doesn't cover it. You know who mainstream media is talking about? They're talking about the executives and the $1 million per year earners from Microsoft and Amazon and Twitter and Meta that have been laid off, right? Those 18,000 from Amazon and 10,000 from Microsoft and so on and so forth. It's ridiculous. The lower income households are not getting the same attention in the mainstream media. You turn on CNN, I guarantee you're going to hear a story about Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, or one of the bigger companies. But do you see the stories about the little businesses that are having to let go of employees? Or just the other day, I got a post, or somebody sent me an email with a post from Craigslist of all the different businesses that were going out of business. They were going out of business just in the Seattle area. That's crazy. Somebody sent me a post on that, right? It's insane. But here's what's difficult. 90% of low-income earners don't have an emergency fund. They don't even have a way to pay for these additional costs. Credit cards, the balances are through the roof. We haven't seen this much credit card debt ever in our lifetime. Again, our savings rate for the American people is almost at the record low. So this is not a good time. Now, even though these oil refineries have these scheduled this maintenance and it has been expected, this doesn't mean the U.S. was even prepared for it or the American people were ready. And right now, we're seeing the average gasoline costs keep going up. Gasoline in Texas, as of today, I'll even show you this. Look at this. See it right here, okay? You can see this. Oh, let me see if I can get you the iPad only. There you go. Look at that one, okay? You can see right here. Let's see, and let's go to Texas. Texas is $3.12. $3.11. Let me go back. Okay, let's see, up there in Montana, $3.20. Go over here to California, $4.49. Okay, ridiculous, right? Go over here, let's see, what is in Florida? $3.56 in Florida. But look at this, okay? This right here, this is the average. This is what the average is here in the United States. For example, right now, currently, the average for a regular gallon of gasoline is $3.48. Okay, diesel, $4.66. For a while, we saw diesel going down. And you can see right over here, towards the right of the screen, you can see diesel prices a month ago were $4.69. A week ago, $4.60. Yesterday, $4.63. And currently, $4.66. The problem with this is as prices go back up for diesel, guess what? Food costs go up. Everything that we transport across the United States goes up in price because diesel is getting more expensive. That's ridiculous. We have to do something about that, but there's not much we can do. But let's just look at gasoline, okay? So a year ago it was $3.33. We've gone up a little bit since then because we're currently at $3.48. But a month ago, $3.10. A week ago, $3.35, and yesterday, $3.44. The reason I bring this up, about a week ago, I was paying about $3.39, $3.45, somewhere right around there. Now I'm paying almost $4, pretty much over $4. I'm paying about 50 cents more per gallon here in Washington State. Yeah, it is troubling. But according to analysts, this is not the end. We are going to see additional supply shortages as well, and here's the reason why. They're saying that this past Saturday we saw a diesel producing unit in Chalmette, Louisiana. They shut down following a fire, and ExxonMobil is performing planned maintenance on their Baytown, Texas petrochemical complex as well. So again, just these two things are going to increase the cost of oil and gasoline. But the reason why I want to mention this is actually pretty simple. You need to be prepared. Be prepared for these gas price increases. Now, something else I think is very interesting, and I'll talk about this later on, I'm probably even going to talk about this on my other channel, Prepared Not Scared. So if you're not following that channel, go and do so. Haven't put a video up there in a couple weeks, but plan to do that this week. But one of the things that I think is interesting, these gas companies are reporting record profits, which is great as an investor. But for somebody that consumes it, uses the gasoline, it's troubling because right now, when gas prices are going through the roof, right? And again, it's crazy, but why are they seeing record profits, right? Their margins are going up. But how are their margins going up when they're saying that there's a shortage? It's interesting. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Well, what are you seeing in your area? You seeing prices just shooting through the roof? Or are you seeing them somewhat stabilized? Let me know down in the comment section below. But again, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Consider subscribing. Don't spend too much on gas. And I'll see you guys on the next one.